Kabalet ko ko ne dial to kore a lot jalan number 1 miti ko a lot ta la do dan lanu le do roji ki physically fighting jalan number 1 miti ko do mai kana mai du ke law ko a jalan number 1 ku to ni tek du ko ko bo do mi tek freedom am go along ka yene dial dong freedom fighter te ground across South Sudan any region. And then I'm against the system, Salva Kiir. You're doing the right thing. Thank you very much. I per week. But you remember, Kagwaber. Quick no more. Right con, got the Dangaro, Kakui South Sudan, Kakui Ethiopia. Kunas News Network, and Guamatin Weritin Benung in the Alten Tijaling. Okay? Whether the information is accurate. Here's something about the news media together to fake there. Baga share Canadian to Langaling to write a talk not long a genuine key genuine tongue nori bigaling. Go tongue nori a language men like Canadian one. Chikutuka and the Almecon. Again, so Kokon the media, Beneka media go Venela and Naineg, go Jagro position to be a media warrior. By a come information in the other lot go young. Anything about the war, anything about business, anything about fighting, or anything about anything. About a chair, Yakel, ko Bialing. Miti Ram La Benagor, ko Ben Kashu, ko Ben Ben join. Dalga, ko di Ben Yobia join Bakune, Bannerai Katona, the dear Lato and Welland. Case South Sudan in general. Gambela also, a region, no one content con Ganwer. Miti Micha, Nightin, Jiman Nega Lanishang, Bakashir, Yakel. In general. So, welcome India Kanas News Network. Biaja share ne ken bekan wajak. Again, manyam I think baraka kui South Sudan kenyam. And then badu mutot ba matin kui Ethiopia. Gambela la shi ndan ba. Ko kon wete kon two country. Ethiopia kana South Sudan. Ram nyiru no ko te two country ngabro. Kimede berga two country te South Sudan te Ethiopia. Kan kon do dang dong te two country. Ten dong fight media. Both South Sudan and Ethiopia. Again, so along to Korea Tega, and what can take Banner wine take a banakalat. Move up Ben Badori and Ben Bakik in Banagon, Jimmy Wanda on Condiano. So, in way, Shingana generational. Okay? Generation come and go. So, being 9 point out of Shijin, Tibetan for life. She permanent. You are not Phoenix. You're not permanent human. The world be chiang tege be enjoy be wet and then until the world been remedied. So anyway she now we more and then let in go do they take do let your history before can again let them go be by your family, your community, your country, be by your Africa continent, be by we mon ke lu mi cham no ko ken ba nyong lo gwe ba lo kan chi ma kwen kon bong ne no ken di lu no wal ke god kon article ti ja god ne di lu ne a long time ke ne kan kon ji ke again so ko chi mu gwa hinen karan chi kwen so that bit some tan be imitate be kan na dung du ka ta te ji rep. That's why people gaining knowledge through learning. If you're not learning, you're limited. So me bangai we mon would ne tim dual ke je enemy na we je bil no je bilat do it. Okay, me lu ke history again the best days they know blue bang ni dia la lu ko ni chang ka perui tit ke ni dia lu ni ka long time ngai ke shoot ken ko lu ko ri pat ba ram lu bang ni dia lu bang ngai ke cha ngai wa mi ti ku lu ko ne cha jin na ko ji ni dia ta ko ni again the best history. So choose to dwal ku ngi je blue why bedwal ke ngi je blue so ngi je blue why you fear yen kul we kon wari ci kon dal ke anything yi telam dal ko kon mi te ko chokra wi mon we de jele ke yen ke nyal jele ke debam ko ci ni ci kon dal ke human be no ray ko la ci mi ben ko kor bi ye go no mi ben ko be je ko ray ke chiang bi je anything me jel ke ji bi je ko no again so namo ba ko na ngai ke te diala je kon ga no wari ka South Sudan amen wi ko ke ci ko tin again struggle chia me to okay me lat ke chia la ne ka no wan chia inga me lat chia so me fight democracy all the time ba ji nyir ne di yon to look at democracy because they don't have a democracy in their community So the more la gon ramte ke reality la ja nyerge ene tie ge. So jin ci bu dual ci ba loy lor ku i cha je nyua. Mi nyua ke ji uti ke meaning. But bi cha je nyua. Uti li meaning. Ke mi cha ye kok yen community. Tell ye meaning. But community me ku ne ni wan ko ke yo. Uti ke meaning. Ku go ku ne system dun ba destroy ke ne kun. System la ja da ke ne ke jike. We mi cha tok duon mi cha jiko kok ke yo. Tel ke bom. But tok duon ko ke yo. O tel ke bom. So proud to be Ramaran, ke quick no more. We ne kon ko ke yo. Ka no bom ko bukul ba ko destroy. We as in. Okay? Chawon ke SPLM ne ke John Garang ko den war de destroy. Ken na ro de click. Allow you kon yedo ru ni one. SPLM yedo kon ko dia. Ken ro de click. Until you now been objective go ganade now. Number one priority ke one objective. South Sudan to be a country. Again ne tu gan worry Canada the go to South Sudan to be a country. And then second round and two con today. And meet you con take a nation. What kind of nation ban establish it? That's why in our community today, you con go con number one priority South Sudan. South Sudan must be a democratic state. But take a rule of law, but take a constitution, maybe decide people of South Sudan through a referendum vote. No more, look at where the regime take a regime, but you consider a political issue. But you consider an enemy because you are supporting wrong system. So we don't care about you. Because it's a national issue. We have to fight. The ideal to go to reality because South Sudan to go democracy demand they have to unite and fight against Salva Kiir until this regime is no longer in use in Juba. And it will happen. Time is coming. And this is the process. You can see on the ground a lot of defection. People are creating a movement, a rebellion. So that's the good signal. So we are heading into a good direction. So South Sudan will be transformed very soon. This is the process. Its time will come and you will see it. All right? Again, quick no more. Then I will get English. You can add some more in English sometime because we cannot listen nowhere 100%. Or talk not. Baga mix it. If someone want to come up also, you want to say something in English, let me know so that I can bring it up. Not a problem. This is a national topic. Even though we speak in Nuer, it's all about national issue, like all the South Sudanese languages. Menyam, katong not. Again, if you want to wait, Kamala Road, the core did, he called me to the Cormedy. 2026, but change no South Sudan. 2026, but take a transformation. Whereas in 81, they will rebel against the system. South Sudanese 64 tribes or more, they will rebel in high percentage against the system. Canadian Salva Kiir here represent in the entire country. Who represent the cycle na ideality again. Tinja nges, tinja nung to the ideal. Canadian quit trust. So it's not working for entire nation. Okay? Salva Kiir let the queen entire nation. Let the queen they can groom the tinja nges. Okay? You con gun we malara jakon. Ne mette kontin ke tub de tu ko kon je ne kontin. Tu ko kon ni during a referendum right kon ke tam pai kon te independent. Ni during a referendum period. Tu kon me you kon we you kon yin jon garang fell during rebellion time. Kan ne fell. Tu ne je ke tu ke event of a referendum. Me like a referendum. Me sa in kon me ya peace agreement outside. I guess run buckle with the pel buckle. So me talk a time more make it Salva Kiir ben la leader during referendum period. Again talk on reality ku there will be transformation. Then go talk connecting by name one by neganor. Okay? Yani one time ku and the element of SPLM. Ne ideal to SPLM. I think I'm out of few. I don't know what happened. Ideal to SPLM. Ideal to SPLM. The leadership of SPLM. You can fight for democracy. He can rule of law, he can go by established. He can just South Sudan take how we gonna govern ourselves. Kind of been that kind of question. Kind of been those kind of question. Because their own way of doing things, we brought this country to existence, and we will never be bring change. The change is us. We will stay for life. And that's why we by appointed ka position kel by nyo which kurundang diok by la ka position dian. Ku akan we no can allow that for bekan sham kan korodian. When in fact country melat ke u bna yi wonder. Hien tell your rodu ne to. Tell yin next generation to come. You need to talk anya one. Chưa cái này chậm cái giúp right now, trên chậm cái wait. Chỉ rút đi niệm chưa cái lưu. Ta niệm tới cái history right now, cô cháu go đi ba cái ba shoot cái ba ngày. Cái này true, na cái đó cái Tory mutiny in 1955 cái Tory. Then the first initial civil war at South Sudan. Khi mới lùi dọc back a little bit 1947 giúp conference. Mấy khi British can Egyptian Sudan chưa cái bên cuối này ba Egypt can UK chico ben ko ba Sudan mo independent. Then our process toward Sudan independent 1956 1947 Juba conference. Who ba kon me mat ko ko ri bol kon South Sudan, we are not part of that conference. Okay, ku tel kon kana illiterate tel kon politician kana gor ga ta me da jana mat bul yene mat kon independent. So they kon chong la separate country. Mit kon native politician mit kon native ta te kon right now. So they want to fight with Sudan away down, he went in law. Okay, when they can con to chop era more. That's why they call my rule. Okay? So in South Sudan struggle good ni democracy. Can me lat ke native nyam good can South Sudan by separate country from Sudan by independent state. Again the main idea. It has to be number one priority, it has to be independent state. And then we can be independent state. Which by right constitution. Independent itself alone is meaningless. So South Sudan today just only independent. That's why people are suffering, fighting tribalism, fighting in any region. Because there is no government in South Sudan. There is no government. And time you can rebellion, you can wait years now. You can't worry. You can't let them dung doran. Lu con shang you can't give up. Woody men go con wooden by which by transform. And Kora Kunali is right now. A woody man good con you can't go to kingdom. Uban away by control. Chijano go con. Good con away done by control a constitution. Me by the side people of South Sudan. But not right. Good of law. Power by distribute. They'll take a per level, state government, within a state, but they'll take a county. Whether they are attorney and around from president all the way to county commissioner, any electable position, but you did know election the people of that area. How did not lead? How did you appoint on people? What is the reason if I can't against the North? You can't fight against what? Anti-democracy? Again, the reason of you can't fight against the North. We are fighting at the time against undemocratic system in the Sudan. And then we want an independent state. And then the demand of the people of South Sudan is all about democracy. And then fight and then under self-care, can I let me go in the SPLM era? You can fight democracy. Good can absolute power. Ba kam ngak within SPLM. She can good power by distributed.